Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can log into your Instagram automatically without any password. So the first and most formal thing would be simply saving your passwords to your password application on your iPhone. So if you simply open passwords application on your phone, just like this, and in here you can search for Instagram, or if you have not yet added any kind of password of your Instagram account, here you can tap on this plus icon right here. And then from here, you can label it as Instagram.com or www.instagram.com. And then you can write down your username in here and your password in here, and then simply tap on save. So after doing that, what happens is if you simply open Instagram, here you can see we are on the login page of Instagram. So if you have saved your Instagram credentials in your password option, here you'll get your option in your keyboard just like this. But if you will get your account credentials here on your keyboard just like this. If you can't find it in here, you can tap on this key icon right here. Then you can tap on the passwords option. And then from here, you can now simply search for the label that you saved your password to. For now, here you can see this is my account that is being suggested to me. Simply tap on it. And in here, you can see it has automatically filled my username and password. So this is one way. So if you simply tap on login, here you can see I will successfully be logged into my account. And in here you can see, so this is the specific part where if you tap on save, your login information will be saved later on. So for now, I'm going to tap on save just like this. And in here you can see I have been logged into my account right here. So from here, if I simply again tap on my profile, go to the menu bar right here, and then here, if I simply log out of my account, tap on log out. Here you can see now my profile will be shown right here. So if I simply tap on it just like this, here you can see I have now automatically been logged into my account. So like that, you'll be able to automatically log into your account without the requirement of any kind of password, right? So if you are already logged in and if you want to turn on this save login information, what you're going to do is tap on your profile right here and then tap on this menu bar. So after doing that, we'll get to the settings and activity, from which tap on account center and then tap on password and security. So after doing that, here you can see the option of saved login. So if you tap on this option, here you can see currently it is turned on my account. All you have to do is tap on this toggle button and turn it on. And later on, when you try to log into your account will be logged in automatically without requirement of any passwords. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.